Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn how to read Ta'awuz properly. Ta'awuz is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught us to read whenever we start the reading of the Quran or the Mus'haf. Let's break it down first, right? So we have the word A'udhu. A is the Hamza with the Fatha here. Hamza is articulated from the deepest part of the throat, right? But when it comes with the Fatha, the sound is A, which is articulated from the empty space of the mouth and throat. And then we have the next one, U. Ain is from the middle of the throat. And it's two counts here because there is a waw sakin with it, and Ain has a dhamma on it, so it will be two counts. U. Then we have the last letter of this word, Dhu. Now the articulation point is, when the tongue touches the top of the tip of the tongue touches the bottom of the two top incisors, so it will be like Dhu. Next one is Ba with the kasra. All the letters in the Mus'haf that come with the kasra, always drop your lip for the exact E sound. So we have Bil, but this is the harf al-jalala here. The word Allah, we call it harf al-jalala. So when the harf al-jalala comes and there is a kasra before it, we read the lam very softly. Billahi. So throughout this letter, first you drop the lips, then you read the lam, and then you softly again, and you drop the lip with the ha as well. Billahi. Let's start from the beginning. A'udhu billahi. Again we have a kasra, mi, and then we have a shadda. Remember, whenever the shadda comes in the Quran, always emphasize that letter, okay? That will give the due rights of the both letters which are present with the shadda then. So here it is, minash-shay. Okay, now we have another ya sakin here. And that is the ya leen, yani that is the ya with the two counts. So minash-shay, we drop the lip, we give a time to the sheen. The sound spreads in the mouth. It's called tafashi in Arabic, but just remember the sound is like occupying all the space in your mouth, right? Minash-shaytan. Now, tho is one of the heavy letters in the Arabic language. So let's start the word again and focus on the sound of the tha here, okay? Minash-shaytan. Your mouth is full with this letter sound, okay? Minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Ra is also the heavy letter, and it has a shadda as well. So we will emphasize while making it heavy as well. Let's start from the meme here again. Minash-shaytanir-rajeem. And then drop the lower lip because we have a kasra here, and we will lengthen this like 6 counts. We can do 2, 4 and 6, but we will do it here on 6 counts, right? And then at the end we have a meme sakin. Always remember the sakin letters in the Quran, right? Because they sometimes get the most neglected ones, So let's practice this anyway. Minash-shaytanir-rajeem. You drop the lip with the mi. You give the time or emphasize on the sheen. Tha was made heavy. Ra was heavy. Jeem was lengthened 6 counts. Right? Now let's do the whole again. From the beginning, okay? A'udhu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Jazakumullahu khairan. Subscribe and stay tuned.